Most handheld fans just circulate warm air. They pack weak motors, dead batteries by noon, and noise levels that turn heads. Today, we break down 5 mini fans based on real RPM, battery runtime, noise, and cooling tech. No marketing spin. One runs for 21 hours straight. One hits 17,000 revolutions per minute with semiconductor cooling that drops temperature on contact. And one weighs less than a smartphone. Stay for the final verdict. Links are in the description. Let's get into it. Number 5 of our list. Every other fan in this comparison moves air. The Shark ChillPill moves air, mists skin, and drops body temperature through direct contact. 3 separate cooling methods in one device. The InstaChill cryo-inspired cooling plate drops skin temperature by up to 16 degrees Fahrenheit on contact within seconds. This makes it the only option here, providing immediate relief for hot flashes, post-workout heat, and sudden temperature spikes. 10 speed settings control both fan output and noise level simultaneously. The dry touch evaporative mist refreshes without soaking clothes, available in constant or interval mode. The rechargeable battery delivers up to 11 hours on low speed and 1.5 hours at maximum output. USB-C charging refills in 3.5 hours. The wearable design clips, twists, and converts to tabletop mode without accessories. Weight and compact dimensions enable all-day carry without fatigue. Replacement misting wicks and a fan cap are included in the box. Number 4. Some situations call for strong airflow. Others need quiet, steady cooling without drawing attention, and the SWEETFULL handles that second scenario better than any other option here. The motor operates below 25 decibels across all 5 speed settings, the quietest fan in this entire comparison. That noise floor makes it genuinely usable during lectures, library sessions, office meetings, and makeup application without disrupting the surrounding environment. The 2000 mAh battery runs between 3 and 12 hours depending on speed selection. The electroplated body weighs just 4 ounces, lighter than a standard Apple. Dimensions measure 5.6 by 2.2 by 1.8 inches, fitting standard pencil cases and small handbags without effort. The LED display shows speed level and battery status clearly without requiring app connection. Type-C fast charging refills the battery in approximately 3 hours. A lanyard enables hands-free carry between classes or commutes. Number 3. At 107 grams, the Gaiatop disappears into any pocket or purse, but the airflow output does not match that small footprint at all. The brushless motor spins at 16,900 revolutions per minute with a wind speed of 7.9 meters per second, more than 3 times stronger than traditional handheld fans at this size. 6 speed settings toggle through a single button with a clear LED display showing real-time speed and battery level simultaneously. The 3000 mAh battery delivers up to 10.7 hours of continuous cooling on a single USB-C charge. The compact dimensions measure 3.5 by 1.7 by 1.39 inches, smaller than most TV remotes. A detachable lanyard converts it from handheld to hands-free wear instantly. The gentle lower speeds keep makeup intact during outdoor events and commutes without disturbing foundation or loose powder. Build material uses painted finish over plastic housing, which is lighter but less premium than metal competitors. Best for students and daily commuters needing maximum portability with strong airflow in the smallest possible form. Number 2. Most handheld fans move air. The TORRAS JISULIFE IVA also chills it, and that difference changes what personal cooling actually feels like in real heat. A built-in TEC semiconductor cooling chip drops the contact surface temperature to 60.8 degrees Fahrenheit within 1 second of activation. The motor reaches 17,000 revolutions per minute through 100 stepless speed settings, delivering precise airflow control across every environment. The 4,900 mAh battery sustains up to 21 hours of use at lower speeds, the longest runtime in this comparison. The body weighs 182 grams, lighter than most smartphones, with a foldable round clip attaching to bags, belts, and backpack straps. USB-C charging works from laptops, car outlets, and power banks simultaneously during use. The visual display shows real-time battery and speed data. Noise ranges from 55 to 64 decibels across all 100 speed levels, making outdoor use more comfortable than indoor quiet environments. Number 1. Most handheld fans top out at 3 speed settings. The JISULIFE gives 100, and that gap covers every cooling situation from quiet library sessions to outdoor heat spikes. The 3-phase brushless motor reaches 15,000 revolutions per minute with a maximum wind speed of 9 meters per second, roughly double the output of standard personal fans. The 5,000 mAh battery delivers between 3 and 15 hours of runtime depending on speed selection. An 18-watt fast charger refills the battery fully in 1.5 to 2 hours. The metal body uses advanced oxidation technology for a premium feel that outlasts standard plastic builds. The scroll wheel adjusts speed steplessly from 1 to 100 without fixed jumps. The digital display shows real-time speed and battery percentage simultaneously. One honest note, at maximum speed, noise reaches 80 decibels, so quieter environments need lower settings. Anti-lost lanyard and portable organizer are included. Best for travelers, commuters, and outdoor users needing maximum airflow control with the longest battery life available. Which one should you buy? For students, product number 4 SWEETFULL Mini Fan. The quietest fan here at below 25 decibels. Small enough for pencil cases. The battery lasts through full school days. 5 speeds cover library silence through outdoor breaks. No disruption to lectures, exams, or study groups. The most practical daily carry for classroom environments. For office workers and commuters, product number 1 JISULIFE Pro. 100 speed levels cover desk use and crowded commutes equally. The 5,000 mAh battery runs up to 15 hours. Fast charging in 1.5 hours fits lunch breaks. The metal body feels premium on a desk. The scroll wheel adjusts airflow without looking away from screens. Best for travelers. Product number 5 Shark ChillPill. 3 cooling methods in one device replace multiple travel accessories. Wearable, clippable, and tabletop ready without extra purchases. 11 hours on low covers full travel days. Dry Touch Mist works indoors on planes and outdoors at destinations. The most versatile single travel cooling solution in this comparison. All product links with current pricing are in the description below. Thanks for watching. If this breakdown helped you choose with confidence, share it with someone who needs it and subscribe to the channel for more honest, data-driven comparisons.